Today I'm going to share with you my review of the Fairflow app, also known as Flareflow, a platform that delivers bite-sized, 1-minute drama episodes for quick and easy binge watching. The concept is unique microdramas are perfect for short attention spans or when you just want to squeeze in a quick story during your break. The app is actively adding new content, so there's always something fresh to check out. One of the most interesting aspects is the way Fairflow uses psychological tactics to keep you engaged. According to reports like Fox Data, the app relies on strategies like time limited credits and loss aversion to encourage users to watch more and eventually push them towards paying for subscriptions. Some viewers enjoy this gamified approach, while others find it manipulative. But let's talk about the drawbacks, because this is where most user complaints lie. The cost of Fairflow is seen as very high, especially compared to bigger streaming services like Netflix or Hulu. The weekly subscription options are particularly criticized as poor value, leaving many users frustrated. Then there are the ads. The free version is absolutely packed with them. Many people report that it feels almost unwatchable without paying, as ads constantly interrupt the flow. Another big issue is the inadequate free content. While you can unlock a few episodes, you quickly run into a paywall, creating a cycle where you either watch endless ads or pay for pricey subscriptions. For a lot of users, this aggressive monetization is a major turn-off. Tip: if you're curious, try the free tier first to see if the microdrama style is for you, but be ready for heavy ads and limited access. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.